In this video, we can talk about top 5 Gantt project alternatives and competitors. Welcome back to our Alternatives Code channel. Today, we are going to unveil a spectrum of project management tools that stand as great alternatives to the renowned Gantt Project, a familiar name in project scheduling. The top 5 alternatives of Gantt Project, which are TeamGantt, GanttPro, Tom's Planner, Instagantt, and Gantter, each with its unique features, functionalities, and surprises. Without further ado, let's explore the landscape of project management excellence. Introducing the first alternative on our list is TeamGantt. TeamGantt is a collaborative project management tool designed to streamline team workflows through visually intuitive Gantt charts. It offers features like drag and drop, portfolio views and reports, reusable templates, and project dependencies. The software helps teams to communicate and collaborate within the platform, reducing the need for external communication tools. One of the standout features of TeamGantt is its intuitive Gantt chart interface, which elegantly combines simplicity and functionality. Second one on our list is GanttPro. GanttPro is a versatile project management solution that centers around Gantt charts, aiding project managers in planning, scheduling, and executing projects efficiently. It offers features like workload monitoring, comments and attachments, custom working days, and notifications. It bridges the gap between structured data management and project planning. Smartsheet's standout feature is its ability to combine the familiarity of spreadsheets with project management tools. Third one in our list is Tom's Planner. Tom's Planner is a user-friendly project management tool that simplifies project scheduling through intuitive Gantt charts. Some of its key features, such as drag and drop feature, resource management, and rescheduling, Tom's Planner's commitment to simplicity makes it an ideal choice for small teams and individual users seeking uncomplicated project scheduling. The standout feature of Tom's Planner is its ability to color-code tasks to provide a visually appealing yet functional project management experience. Moving on to our fourth alternative is Instagantt. Instagantt is a web-based Gantt chart tool designed to help project managers and teams efficiently plan, schedule, and manage tasks. It offers features like workload management, task details, and progress tracking. Instagantt's focus on task customization and progress tracking supports data-driven decision-making and enhances overall project control. The standout feature of Instagantt is its ability to set baselines for comparing planned and actual progress to allow project managers to maintain control over project execution. Last but not the least, we have Gantter. Gantter is a cloud-based project management tool that combines Gantt charts with collaboration features, making it a versatile option for teams. A few of its key features like auto-generated work breakdown structure, hierarchical task linking, and risk management. It seamlessly collaborates using Gantter within Google Workspace applications. One of its standout features is the deep integration with Google Workspace, allowing teams to seamlessly transition between project management and other collaborative tasks. Compared to Gantt Project, TeamGantt distinguishes itself with its user-friendly Gantt chart interface, making complex project timelines more accessible. GanttPro's advanced resource workload management and integrated time tracking add depth to project planning, a level of granularity not offered by Gantt Project. Tom's Planner's simplicity and color-coded task system offer an uncomplicated approach to Gantt chart creation, suitable for individuals and small teams. Instagantt's dynamic task customization and progress tracking provide a data-driven edge over Gantt Project's basic functionality. And Gantter's integration with Google Workspace elevates collaboration efficiency beyond Gantt Project's local application. After going through these alternatives and their standout features, we would recommend TeamGantt as the best alternative to Gantt Project. Its intuitive Gantt chart interface harmonizes simplicity with comprehensive project visualization, enabling both novice and seasoned project managers to navigate complex tasks effortlessly. This user-friendly platform also excels in fostering collaborative efforts among team members, ushering in a new era of streamlined project execution. As we wrap up our journey through these awesome alternatives, keep in mind that project tools keep getting cooler. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.